न वहां कोई हमारी सीमा में घुस आया है, न ही कोई घुसा हुआ है, न ही हमारी कोई पोस्ट किसी दूसरे के कब्जे में है।
नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार है, चीन अपनी 1 इंच भूमि पर भी कब्जा नहीं कर सकता। इस प्रकार का शासन नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने दिया है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his latest interview with the US-based magazine Newsweek talked about the India-China relations. Prime Minister Modi stressed the prolonged situation on the disputed India-China border should be discussed urgently to normalize the bilateral ties. The PM emphasized that the stable and peaceful relations between India and China are important for the entire region and world. Prime Minister Modi on the topic of competing with China highlighted that the country has an edge when being pitted against China, which is currently engulfed in economic woes. Reacting to this, China also noted Prime Minister Modi's remarks on the border ties between the two countries. Chinese spokesperson Mao Ning said that sound and stable ties would serve the interests of both countries. Meanwhile, Congress also reacted to Prime Minister Modi's interview with the magazine and said that the PM has crossed all limits of cowardice. Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh tweeted on his X account and said the PM was at his cowardly worst while talking about the China border dispute. Jairam Ramesh demanded an apology from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, quoting his statement, "Na koi ghusa hai, na hi koi ghus aaye kai."
न वहां कोई हमारी सीमा में घुस आया है, न ही कोई घुसा हुआ है, न ही हमारी कोई पोस्ट किसी दूसरे के कब्जे में है। लद्दाख में हमारे 20 जाबाज शहीद हुए, लेकिन जिन्होंने भारत माता की तरफ आंख उठाकर देखा था, उन्हें वो सबक सिखा कर गए।
नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार है, चीन अपनी 1 इंच भूमि पर भी कब्जा नहीं कर सकता। इस प्रकार का शासन नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने दिया है।
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.